Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to switch between accounts on the Facebook Messenger mobile app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the lower right corner of your screen. You'll see a menu icon there, so go ahead and tap on it. This menu is your gateway to accessing various settings and features within Messenger, including the ability to manage multiple accounts. Once you tap the menu icon, look for your profile option and click on it. This will open up your account settings where Messenger stores all the different accounts you've logged into on this device. This feature is particularly useful if you manage multiple Facebook accounts or switch between personal and business profiles regularly. After clicking on your profile, the app will display a list of all the different accounts currently linked to your Facebook Messenger. You'll see each account listed separately, making it easy to identify which one you want to switch to. This display shows you all your saved accounts in one convenient location, so you don't have to log in and out manually every time you want to switch. Now simply tap on the account you want to switch to from the list. Once you do this, a message will appear on your screen informing you that you'll still receive notifications for your other accounts even after switching. This ensures you won't miss important messages from any of your profiles. The message will give you two options, either OK or Continue. Go ahead and click whichever option appears on your screen to confirm the switch. In some cases, if the account you're switching to hasn't been saved or if it's been a while since you last accessed it, Messenger may require you to log in again. If this happens, simply enter your login credentials to proceed. This security measure helps protect your accounts and ensures that only you can access your conversations. Once you've clicked OK or Continue or logged in if necessary, the app will switch to your selected account. You'll notice that your conversations, messages, and contacts will now reflect the account you just switched to. The transition is seamless and takes just a few seconds to complete. And that's it. You've successfully switched accounts on Facebook Messenger, allowing you to manage multiple profiles without the hassle of logging in and out repeatedly. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.